Want smooth 4K aerial shots without spending $1,000? These 5 budget drones deliver serious features for a fraction of the price. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best budget drones of 2025. These drones are loaded with features like 4K cameras, GPS, gimbals, and obstacle avoidance, all while staying affordable. If you're into travel vlogs, content creation, or just flying for fun, stick around, these picks will surprise you. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. SX1 Mini Drone 4K EIS 3-axis gimbal. The SX1 Mini Drone is compact but powerful. With a 4K EIS camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures super stable video. Built-in GPS and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance give it the edge in flight safety and precision. Pros: 4K EIS stabilized video, 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage, GPS auto return and hover, 5G FPV real-time video. Perfect for beginners or casual creators looking for cinematic shots on a small budget. Number 2. Xiaomi V198 Max Drone 8K camera. Xiaomi enters the drone space with the V198 Max, featuring a professional-grade 8K camera, laser barrier avoidance, and a brushless motor for powerful flight. Plus, it's foldable and ultra-portable. Pros: high-resolution 8K camera, 5G Wi-Fi for low-lag FPV streaming, brushless motors equals quieter and longer life, foldable design with GPS hold, perfect for travelers and hobbyists who want professional image quality without DJI pricing. Number 3. YB8 Max Drone Dual 4K Camera. The YB8 Max is a great choice for beginners and kids. It features dual 4K cameras, one front-facing and one downward-facing, for cool perspective shots. Laser obstacle avoidance helps prevent crashes during learning. Pros: dual camera system, 4K resolution with real-time feed, brushless motor for better stability, easy remote controls, perfect for first-time pilots who want a safe, easy-to-use drone with cool camera angles. Number 4. S156RC Drone 8K HD GPS dual camera. The S156RC Drone offers a sharp 8K camera, GPS return to home, and a dual camera setup, great for beginners looking for high specs at an unbeatable price. Pros: 8K video resolution, GPS tracking and return to home, 5G Wi-Fi for smoother video, foldable and beginner-friendly, perfect for drone lovers who want max specs under a tight budget. Number 5. L200 Pro Max Drone 2-axis gimbal. The L200 Pro Max steps it up with a 2-axis mechanical gimbal, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and professional anti-shake tech for buttery smooth 4K footage. It's a solid pick for intermediate flyers. Pros: 2-axis gimbal plus EIS stabilization, full 4K HD video, 360 degrees laser obstacle sensors, long battery life and GPS navigation. Perfect for content creators or tech enthusiasts wanting smooth video without DJI prices. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. There you have it, the top 5 budget drones of 2025 that give you premium features like 4K video, gimbals, and obstacle avoidance, all without draining your wallet. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up, these drones deliver serious value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which drone are you flying first? Let me know your favorite pick.